live. This is Live Miami at 11.
Well, have you ever had trouble developing your green thumb? Well, if it's a simple hobby or maybe your next career path, we have celebrity flower designer Michael Gaffney here with us today, and he is going to talk to us about the art of flower design. Welcome. Pleasure to meet you.
Thank you very much.
And we were chit-chatting a little bit before we popped up here. You have quite the resume, Michael.
Well, I've been doing this a long time. And I open schools all over the country. They're in New York, LA, San Diego, San Francisco, Chicago, Miami.
And you've worked with big names, Oprah, you were on the set of Black Swan.
Right, we do films. I've taught staff members, in-house staff members how to do their flowers. I've worked with big-time restaurateurs, you know, so their staff knows how to do it. Yes, I do shows at Neiman Marcus, Bloomingdale's, Saks, and basically we take people who don't know how to design and I teach them the formulas of design. Same thing I was taught 20-some years ago.
So you did not have a green thumb then when you started?
No, I worked on Wall Street.
Oh my gosh,
I worked for a
look at
commodities
you.
company. I had stopped back in the Midwest for some classes on finance, walked into a flower shop, and this is what happened to me.
Right, well I am very excited for you to teach me a few things because I don't know anything when it comes to this.
Most of our students that attend our classes here at the Miami School of Flower Design have no experience whatsoever.
Okay.
They step in, they're bewildered, I go, here we go, and in 15 minutes they're holding something more beautiful than they ever thought they could
All
design.
right, well teach me, Michael.
All right, basically all the things you see on the stage here are very simple. You know, they're all based on what I call chess moves. Every design you see in the magazine, there's 2 to 3 chess moves behind that design. Okay, this is called a parallel design, and basically you're clustering all your blooms at one height.
Okay.
Very easy. Here we have a topiary tree. I call this my 10-second design. I literally took a bunch of lilies and stuffed them in the vase and trimmed out the bottom. This is a nice bridal design. I've done it for luncheons, you know, women's clubs, things like that.
Okay.
Here's a little up-in-the-air piece. This is a radial design. This is very much the look I did for a film called Jack Goes Boating with Philip Seymour Hoffman. The students and I designed for the film as one of our projects, so it's great. And here we have a vertical line design. Very easy. Takes the line down to our focal point. So, very simple designing. As a commercial designer, that's what we do. We go to work and all day long, gorgeous, gorgeous, more gorgeous, the most gorgeous. That's what we're paid to do. We can't have off days. We've got to produce gorgeous stuff all day.
Oh my goodness.
So that's what I teach, the secrets, the tips.
Now, you were, this looks beautiful as it is, but you're not finished with this yet,
No, it's a great entryway piece. I'm going to turn you into a design star. And the reason I say design star is because I teach my students you have to be that specialty designer who, you know, puts their thumbprint on their work and makes it that beautiful.
Right,
So,
well, we want to see you
very
next month.
simple. We're just going to stick, there's some foam in there. Just go ahead, work it right down into the base.
Here we go. Oop, I'm bending your stem here. Okay, there we go.
You're working.
All right, Michael, I have a very good teacher.
Are you busy this weekend? I got a lot of weddings this weekend. Could you help me out? So, as you can see, it's a very full look. How hard is that? You put all your blossoms at one height, and then you base at the bottom. Yeah, the Miami School of Flower Design, we're holding classes day and evening.
And beginners, right? I mean, if you don't know anything about, I could go, right, and take your class? Okay. This is beautiful.
And we've had people recently unemployed. We've had doctors. I've had attorneys. I've had celebrities. I've had many people come and take my class, and it's a lifelong skill. You'll always know how to do. Whether you're going to do it professionally or you're just going to pick up flowers at the corner, come home, boom.
Fantastic.
Magic. Flower power.
I wish we had more time to
You're not
chit-chat
done.
with
One
you.
more.
There's so many things that I want to ask you. We'll ask you during the commercial here. That sounds good.